I just drove 3 hours to get what I thought was a windshield crack fixed by Benzalot Windshield Repair here. That's their name, Benzalot. In Knoxville, they don't have any windshield repair, so these guys are really good at fixing longer cracks. Like I said, I didn't have a problem. Apparently, I didn't have a crack. I thought I did, but they found some pits, which is what this pointing device is pointed to right now. I'm going to let Brad explain the process and zoom out here so you can see what's up.
So the difference between a pit and a chip is that chips will spread and pits will not. Pits do need to be repaired, however. You got to seal them up because over time they'll become eroded. They'll chew up your windshield wiper. So let's get started. There's a resin that's very thick. It's called pit filler for this very reason, and it seals up the glass and makes it smooth so that your windshield wiper glides right over. We're going to let that set about 20 seconds. Okay, it's time to take the cure tab off if you want to take a quick look really close.
All right, we're going to come in and see what he's got cooking.
We go under the tab, you'll notice a very clear, hard patch of what is now a plastic film that takes on the optical properties of the glass. Clean it up a little bit more. Let me get my pointer so that we can see the difference. There will be some improvement to visibility.
There you go.
And it's sealed. It's completely smooth, and it will not damage your windshield wiper anymore.
Awesome. Thanks for everything. How do they get a hold of you if they want to talk to you?
Call us anytime at 615-631-1969.
All right. You got a website or anything?
Benzalot.com.
All right. Thanks, Brad.